Scriboli is a pen interaction testbed we are developing to explore rapid, unambiguous, and effective techniques for users to interact with pen-operated devices. Scriboli combines lasso selection and marking menus to allow efficient articulation of selection-action pen input phrases. But such phrases need delimiters between the subtasks to be understood by computers. We conducted a study of 4 delimiters for lasso selection and marking. The experimental task prompts the user with the objects to lasso and the marking direction to activate. The multi-stroke technique draws a handle at the end of the lasso when the user lifts the pen. A second stroke starting on the handle forms the mark to choose the command. The timeout technique uses a half-second pause after drawing the lasso to bring up the marking menu. The user then marks to choose the command. The button technique uses an explicit button press during a continuous pen stroke to indicate when to stop the lasso and begin the mark. For our study, we used the control key as the button. The pigtail is a novel technique that uses a small loop at the end of the lasso. The tail indicates the marking direction. Scriboli supports ink input, shown in blue. When the user presses a foot pedal, this switches to gesture mode, shown in red. The Scriboli testbed implements the pigtail technique for cut, copy, move, and paste commands that can be applied to ink, photos, or icons on a notebook page. A pigtail over empty space signifies the null scope, which activates a global menu, where the paste command is located. Scriboli also supports an optional direct manipulation phase for some commands, using a technique similar to flow menu. Our experimental study led us to a new design that combines the pigtail with the timeout technique. If the user pauses with the pen while drawing a gesture, the system shows an animation of a pigtail, and the menu appears. We call this a stroke extension prompting technique. This helps make the pigtail self-revealing to novices, while also providing a shortcut that allows experts to escape from the timeout delay.